Hello guys, how are you? I hope all of you are doing well. Let's talk about the another exchange. I shared videos related to the Binance. Binance was basically the application. These are the exchanges where you can buy and sell cryptocurrencies. Today, I am sharing the another exchange which is known as the Hotbit. If you will see, this is the first page or main page of Hotbit application, and I am logged in into my application. So the difference between what is the difference between Binance and Hotbit is that you will find so many new currencies on Hotbit which are very cheap. You can buy them at a very low price and sell them at a very high rate. So this is the difference, and the main difference is another difference is of peer to peer. In Binance you can directly after making the profit, you can get the profit into your bank accounts, into other platforms where you can get the cash after selling your US dollars. Okay, so in Hotbit, this is one loophole in Hotbit, that you cannot sell you cannot cash your profit in this application, but you can transfer the profit from Hotbit to Binance, and from there you can get the profit. And the Hotbit admin says that they will launch this function. They will include or insert this function in short period of time, so we can wait. But it is, again, I will suggest you all to also trade on Hotbit, because the cryptocurrencies over here are very cheap. So let's see, I am showing you I have made the made them favorites. So these are the currencies which I have marked them as my favorites. So I have made so you see, this is the name of Koshi. The price of this, you will observe, it's very much cheap. It is consisting of 8 to 9 zeros, even not a single dollar. You can purchase millions of these coins at a very cheap rate. Okay, so look at here, this app, the price here, over here, the yellow line is crossing and the blue one is going up. So you would have made almost doubled your profit in a very short period of time. Say for instance, if you have invested $300, you would have made $600 to $1,200 within a very short period of time. Okay, so there are other currencies as well. You can see TRB is plus 4 percentage, and Akita 7 percentage is gained 7 percentage. Oh my god, this is Floki. Okay, it has gained 17 percentage of the percentage in a single day. And this is one of the favorite cryptocurrencies of Elon Musk, who is the richest man, one of the richest persons in the world. He is from America, and he supports this coin on his Twitter official webpage. Okay, so this is just a brief overview of this exchange, Hotbit. So do not forget to subscribe my page and wait for more exciting videos related to the Bitcoin, education, entertainment, every day. Okay, thank you guys. Allah Hafiz, take care, bye bye.